morning, ma'am.
ओके, वॉइस इज क्लियर? सबको दिखाई दे रहे हैं हम?
Yes.
ओके, नाउ आई म्यूट यू ऑल. मैं सबको म्यूट कर रही हूँ. All of you sit properly and open your book. Computer mouse.
Ma'am, page number.
Who is this on? Page number 40. 4040.
Ma'am, page number.
Who is on? किसका on है? Please mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. Nobody will unmute. कोई unmute नहीं करेगा. All of you mute yourself. Okay? Now today we start lesson 5. Computer mouse. Okay? All of you see the book. Look at the book. Computer mouse. Today we start our computer mouse. Okay? So all of you open your book. Page number 4040. Class, all of you open page number 40. Okay? Now first of all of you understand what is a mouse. All of you open page number 40. Share screen. Hello? Class, my voice is clear? Raise your hand. If my voice is clear, please raise your hand. Okay. Now students, all of you look at the screen. Computer mouse. आपको कुछ दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे? Raise your hand अगर आपको दिख रहा है computer mouse. Okay. This is the computer mouse. Okay. A mouse is a pointing device. What is a mouse? Mouse क्या है? Mouse is a pointing device. Okay. It controls the cursor. Cursor is, this is the cursor. Look at the students. I draw the figure of a mouse, and in the desktop, in your computer system, you all see the picture of the mouse. There are a pic of mouse, not rat जो हमारे घर में घूमता है, not like this. This is the mouse picture. And what is a mouse? Mouse क्या है? Invention of mouse. Mouse का invention किसने किया? Activities of mouse. What is the activities of mouse? Type of mouses. Mouse के कितने प्रकार होते हैं? How mouse works. Mouse कैसे काम करता है? Computer mouse spots. ठीक है? And how has the design been changed? Okay, students. So now look at the thing. What is a mouse? A computer mouse is a handheld pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative to a surface. It means mouse is a handheld, मतलब हाथ से पकड़ने वाला डिवाइस है. With the two dimensional motions, we can move the mouse from one place to another place. This motion is typically translated into the motion of a pointer on a display, which allows a smooth control of the graphical user interface. This motion is typically translated into the motion of pointer. What is the use of mouse? Look at this, students. आपको pointer दिख रहा है? A arrow. You all are see a arrow. Arrow दिख रहा है? Raise your hand. Okay. So, with the help of mouse, we can move our mouse arrow. This is the mouse pointer. Okay. This is the mouse pointer, and we can move the mouse arrow from here to there. Up, down, left, right. Clear all of you? समझ में आ रहा है? You all are understand? Raise your hand if you not. Okay, students. Now, why it is named as mouse? इसका नाम mouse क्यों पड़ा? With the cord coming out of the back of the mouse, Douglas said, device reminded him to the rodent mouse and the name stuck. It is a lot easier to remember than a XY position indicator of a system. It means कि माउस का नेम इसलिए पड़ा क्योंकि इसका मोमेंट, जैसे चूहा घर में क्या करता है, इधर से उधर भागता है, राइट? भागता है ना. एंड जब वो कोई चीज कैच कर लेता है तो क्या होता है, वो उसके पास चली आती है. सेम एज द वर्क ऑफ माउस. माउस इज मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. ओके, एंड पिक एनीथिंग, एनी ऑप्शंस and any picture. Okay, clear all of you? Now, invention of mouse. Look at the picture, students. In 1968, a man named Douglas Engelbart created this special tool to help people control their computers. यानी कि in 1968 डगलस एंजलबर्ट ने इसका क्रिएट किया था. ठीक है, किसने किया था? डगलस एंजलबर्ट. लुक एट हियर, डगलस, DOUGLAS, डगलस एंजलबर्ट. ओके, डगलस एंजलबर्ट ने इसका इन्वेंशन किया था with the for the people. It was a small wooden block on wheel. पहले के कंप्यूटर कैसे थे? लकड़ी का था. wooden means लकड़ी. ओके, लकड़ी का छोटा सा बनाया गया था, उसके नीचे wheels था. ओके, wheels पता है ना, wheels with पहिया. And there was a long cable sticking out of the back, kind of like a tail. यानी जैसे चूहे की पूंछ होती है पीछे, same as. Okay, students, wait for 2 minutes. All of you look at the picture and read this sentence. Okay, students, sorry to interrupt because there is a national anthem and so I stand there and leave the class. Okay, students, all of you understand who developed the mouse? Douglas Engelbart. Now next is activities of mouse. Mouse की activities क्या क्या हैं? Move the mouse cursor. Okay, it is help to move the mouse cursor. Open or execute a program. With the help of mouse, we can open any program. Select. We can select any picture, any image, any option. Drag and drop means we can drag and drop any icons. Hover, scroll, perform other functions. Okay, I repeat it again. Move the mouse cursor, open or execute a program, select, drag and drop, hover, scroll, perform other functions. Move the mouse cursor, it means we can move the cursor from here to there. Understand, Aradhya? समझ में आ रहा है? All of you understand? Raise your hand. Okay, very good. Natik, Rudra. Rudra and Rudra. And Natik. Okay, 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 okay. Now open or execute a program. With the help of mouse, we can open any program. We can select any picture or image or options. We can drag and drop means किसी भी icon को एक जगह से लेके दूसरी जगह drop करना. Okay? Now hover or scroll. Scroll means up and down. Understand? And perform other functions. Other functions like playing games. Okay? Making drawing. Understand, Rudra? Natik? Clear? सब कुछ clear है? समझ में आ रही है ना? Okay. Now, types of mouse. Look at the picture. There are many types of mouses. Okay? Now, first of all, cordless. C-O-R-D-L-E-S-S. Cordless means जिसके wires नहीं होते. Look at this picture. This is the cordless mouse. Okay? Now, foot mouse. This is the foot mouse. IntelliMouse. This is the IntelliMouse. JTech mouse. Joystick. This is the joystick. Optical mouse. Guest. Stick mouse. Touchpad. Mechanical. Trackball and track point. Okay? Now, okay. Now, students, all of you, look in your book, page number 40. You all understand what is a mouse? Huh? Now, look at the picture. This is the mouse. Okay? And आपका homework है, your homework is draw the figure of a mouse. Okay? How to draw a mouse? मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. How can you draw a mouse? And after that you draw your mouse in your computer copy. Okay? And color it also. Look at here. First of all, आपको ऐसे oval shape में बनाना है. Okay? Clear? Now, standing line and divide it into two parts and make a wire here. Okay? And after that, this is your mouse pad. ठीक है? This is the mouse pad. Mouse pad क्या होता है? Mouse pad is the sheet where you put your mouse. Mouse pad होता है जहां पे आप अपने mouse को रखते हैं. ठीक है? Now, and you all write here the spelling of mouse, M-O-U-S-E. Clear? Clear all of you? Rudra. Yes, Rudra. Yes, Rudra. Wait. Yes. Shanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, clear है.
Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now all of you draw this picture of mouse and also color it and write the spelling of mouse, M-O-U-S-E. Clear? Now look at your book, page number 40. A mouse is a pointing device attached to a computer. Mouse एक pointing device है जो computer से attached रहता है. It is used to point and select objects on the monitor. इसका use किस लिए करते हैं? Point and select करने के लिए. Okay? It also help us draw pictures and play games on the computer. It is also help us to draw pictures. You can draw the picture like this pen. जैसे हमने पेन से ये figure draw की, we can draw this same as you can draw the image on the computer system, and where you can draw in paint. Clear? In MS Paint you can draw the image, any image like elephant, like flower, like tree, etc, etc. Look at here, this is the type of mouse. This is the first type of mouse. This is the first generation of mouse, and this is made up of wood. Wood means लकड़ी का ये बना था, and here in the मतलब behind there is a wheel. यहाँ पे एक wheel था, ठीक है, and there is a wire. All of you look at here. यहाँ पे एक wire दिख रही है, and ऊपर में this type of button we can move our mouse. Clear? Now this is the first computer mouse. It was invented by Douglas Engelbart. Who developed the mouse? Aryan, do you tell me who developed the mouse? Aryan?
Mom,
Yes, yes, Aryan. Aryan is gone. Who tell me? Who tell me? Okay, Pragyan. Yes, Pragyan. Unmute yourself, Pragyan, and tell me who developed the mouse? Pragyan. Hello. Hello, Pragyan. Your voice is not coming. Okay, Rudra. Rudra, tell me.
Douglas Engelbart.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Douglas Engelbart.
Yes, Rudra, very good, Rudra. Douglas Engelbart is the inventor of a first generation mouse. Okay. Now look at the picture. All of you look at the picture. Okay. Now I tell you how many buttons in the mouse. Pragyan, mute yourself. Aryan, mute yourself. Your voice is coming to me. आपकी आवाजें आ रही हैं. So mute yourself. Aryan, mute yourself. Pragyan, mute also. Okay, now listen. Look at it. Look at the picture. Okay. There are 3 buttons on the mouse. Okay. There are 2 buttons, and here is a scroll wheel. Okay. So this is the left button, L-E-F-T, left, B-U-T-T-O-N button, and this is the right button, R-I-G-H-T, right, B-U-T-T-O-N, and this is the scroll wheel, S-C-R-O-L-L-W-H-E-E-L. Okay. A computer mouse has left and right buttons and a scroll wheel between the 2 buttons. A computer mouse has left and right button and scroll wheel in the middle of the button. Okay, the scroll wheel helps to move up and down the pages on the monitor. ठीक है? Scroll wheel क्या करता है? It is help to move up and down for the page. Now mouse pad. This is the mouse pad. This is the M-O-U-S-E, mouse, P-A-D, pad. This is the mouse pad. To use the mouse properly, mouse का work properly use करने के लिए, you should place it a mouse pad. You should, यानी आपको mouse को कहाँ रखना चाहिए? Where you keep the mouse? You keep the mouse on the mouse pad. The mouse pad keeps the mouse dust free. इससे क्या होता है? आपका mouse जो है dust free means धूल. Okay, dust free. It is keep the mouse dust free. Now mouse pointer. When you move the mouse in any direction, a small arrow This is the small arrow. Okay. All of you look at the screen. You all see a small arrow. Okay, students. Okay. Now first screen is appear on your screen is the desktop. Using desktop. Now here we all see how we use with the help of mouse pointer on our desktop. मतलब हम यहाँ देखेंगे कि हम इस pointer के through, mouse के through, how we use this pointer. You all are see this pointer? ये सबको दिख रहा है? You all are see? Okay, okay, okay. 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 Now this is the mouse pointer. Clear all of you? Students? Clear? This is the mouse pointer. Okay. And it is help us to select anything. Okay. Now once operating system loads a program and screen, you see it called the desktop. Desktop vary from one operating system to another, even are different from version to version. Whatever type of OS you use, it is very important to know how to use the desktop correctly because it is the base for all computer operation. It means कि जब भी आप computer system open करेंगे, it is very important to how to use your desktop. Desktop को कैसे use करना है, you all are see here. Now, MS Windows and Macintosh are built the graphical user interface GUI, ठीक है? Which means that the operating system, graphics and picture to access program and other OS operation applications. Simply this graphic or picture called wallpaper. When you open your desktop, जब भी आप desktop open करेंगे, behind जो आपको wall बड़ी सी screen दिखती है ना? So this is the image of wallpaper. इसको क्या कहते हैं हम? Wallpaper. Desktop wallpaper. Icons are another important graphic feature of the desktop. Icons are small pictures that are linked to the actual programs. Double clicking on the icon enables us to run the program. Icon are the small picture. Desktop पे जो छोटे-छोटे small pictures देखते हैं ना हम लोग, these are called icons. Clear all of you? Clear है? Okay. Now right clicking on icon offer a menu option. Right click and left click. You all are see here right click and left click. Okay. So what is the use of right click? Right click is used to open a options. Right click से क्या होता है? Options open होते हैं. And left click is used to select any parts. Understand? Clear? Now look at the image. Desktop applications. What is the use of mouse? You can right click on the desktop and here are open any options. ये इस तरह से options आएगा, ठीक है? Now there are many types of options. You can open and select and change the desktop images. Okay? Now who is unmute? Pragyan, mute yourself, beta. Pragyan, mute yourself. At Athar, mute
Yes,
yourself. Mute yourself, beta. Pragyan, mute करिए. Mute yourself. Okay. Okay, students. Now, Aradhya, unmute yourself and read page number 40. A mouse is a pointing device. Read. There are 3 points.
A mouse is a pointing device attached to a computer. It is used to point and select object on the monitor.
Yes.
It also helps us draw picture and play game on the computer. A computer mouse has left and right buttons and a scroll wheels button. Between the two buttons, the scroll wheel helps to move up and down the pages on the monitor.
Okay, very good. Very good, Aradhya. It means a mouse is a pointing device. Okay. Yes, mouse is a pointing device. It helps us to select and draw any object, and it also helps us to draw the pictures. Okay, Rudra, unmute yourself and read page number 41. Page number 41. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read.
My mouse pad.
Yes.
To use
No,
the
Rudra.
mouse.
No, Rudra. A computer mouse has left and right buttons.
Yes.
Yes.
A computer mouse has left and right buttons on a scroll wheel. Between the two buttons, the scroll wheel helps to move up and down the pages on the monitor.
Okay, very good, students. Now look at the screen, students, and look at your book. There are 3 buttons. Okay, there are 2 buttons only and scroll wheel. Scroll wheel is not a button. Okay, clear? There are 2 buttons, left
Yes,
and
sir.
right, and there in the middle section there is a scroll wheel. A scroll wheel help us to up and down. What? Page up and page down. Clear? And
Yes, ma'am.
it is also help to select and open any option. Left click is used to select and draw, and right click is used to open any options. Clear? Left and right का use clear है? It is the very easy. Left click is used to draw and select and point. Clear? And right click is used to open any options. Okay? Now mute yourself, Rudra. Pragyan. Hello, Pragyan. Hello, Pragyan. Beta, your voice is not coming, Pragyan. What happened? Okay. Okay, just help your parents to unmute yourself. Again, switch off and do it again. Switch off and do it again. फिर से करो. Okay. Pulkit, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mouse pad.
To use the mouse
Properly.
properly,
Properly. You
you should
yes.
place it on a mouse pad.
Yes.
The mouse pad keeps the mouse
Dust free.
dust
Free. Okay. What is the use of mouse? You use your mouse properly if you want to use your mouse properly. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपका mouse अच्छे से काम करे, so what you should keep it on the mouse pad. Okay, and it is help us to dust free your mouse. Okay, understand, Palak, Pulkit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Shanvi, don't raise your hand like this, Shanvi. Unmute yourself. Shanvi? Shanvi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mouse pointer.
When you move the mouse in any
Direction.
direction, a small arrow on the computer
Screen.
allows
Also
move in the
same
direction. This
arrow
is called the mouse pointer. Is slow the movement of the mouse on the monitor.
Yes, mouse pointer is, what is a mouse pointer? What mouse pointer is a small arrow, okay, and it is used to move your mouse in any direction, and it is also called mouse pointer.
Yes.
Okay, clear?
Okay.
Clear, Shanvi? समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Naitik. I think Naitik. Yes, Naitik, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Cordless mouse. Cordless means wireless.
Yes.
ठीक है? Wire means this is the wire. ये दिख रहा है? ये wire होता है. और अगर ये wire नहीं होगा तो ये cordless mouse
Yes,
होगा.
ma'am.
Okay, start read.
A cordless mouse is a mouse that connects to the computer without the use of a wire. It is also called a wireless mouse. It is easier
To
wireless mouse. It
Yes.
is easier
to use
to use as it can be used
from a
a distance.
yes. I think आप लोग को याद है या नहीं? You all are remember
Distance.
in the projector lab. In the projector lab, we can use the wireless mouse. याद है? रुद्र था ना? Wireless, yes, सम्राट.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, सार्थक. हाँ. Mute yourself. Okay, Rudra Pratap Singh. Unmute yourself. Rudra. Yes. Rudra.
Yes, ma'am.
Mouse actions. Mouse actions. अच्छा book नहीं. Sorry. Okay. Mute yourself, Rudra. Who is this? Okay, students. Who is this? Naitik, mute yourself. Naitik, mute yourself. Okay, your homework is read page number 40 and 41 once again. I give some word meanings. मैं आपको word meaning send करूँगी in your WhatsApp group and you all learn the word meanings. Okay? Okay? Clear? Clear all of you? Clear है सबको? प्रज्ञान Yes, Pragya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now your voice is coming. Again, start reading page number 40.
Okay. Ma'am, 40.
Yes, 40.
A mouse is a pointing device attached to a
Attached.
computer. Attached to a computer. It is used to point and select objects on the monitor. It also helps us draw pictures and play game on a computer.
Yes.
A computer mouse has left and right button and a scroll wheel but between the two buttons. The scroll wheel helps to move up and down the page on the monitor.
Okay, students. Now all of you, listen to me once again. Your homework is read page number 40 and 41 once again, and I give some word meanings to you. Okay? Clear, all of you? You all understand what is the mouse, what is the what is the mouse, what is the use of mouse, and how many buttons? 2 buttons and one scroll wheel and mouse pad. Why the mouse pad important for us? Mouse pad is used for mouse, for using the mouse dust free. Clear? Okay, students. Next pages we will continue our next classes. Okay, and once again, happy Diwali all of you. Okay,
Happy Diwali.
okay, bye all of you. Take care, students.